Hey everyone, welcome back to an episode of Create with Linda. So guys, I'm coming on. It is Thursday? It's Thursday. And I'm coming on. I'm going to do something a little different. Well, not different, but whatever. Just going to do something I saw on a video that I want to try to see if I can do it and see how it comes out. Give me one second. I'm definitely feeling better today. Yesterday was a rough day. Emotionally, just really, I don't know what happened, but I was totally off my game, off of everything yesterday. But I'm not 100%, but I would say 90% better. So yeah, so I'm just gonna go with it. So what I'm doing is I'm gonna make homemade potato chips in the microwave. I saw this on a video. I was like, oh my God, I was amazed. I was like, this is unbelievable. I wonder if this really works. It really looked like it worked on the video, it came out and everything. So I'm hoping that it works, but I'm really, really excited about doing this. So let's get started. So it's funny because I didn't have any potatoes. I think I do, no, you know what? I think I'm wrong by saying that. I have one potato, obviously, but I think this is the only one I have, but I might have a couple back in the back. I'm not sure, but I'm just all I need is one. So I have this one potato that I'm going to use half of this, more than half of it, to make some chips to see how it turns out. Okay, and then I have a sweet potato. Let me see how this, I have one sweet potato. Oh yeah, this looks in good shape still. Because I would love to do sweet potato fries too. First, I'm going to do the regular potato. So what I'm going to do is slice it very, very thin. You have to slice them as thin as possible as you could do. I don't have a mandolin, so I don't do that. I'm just going to do by hand, obviously. But this is a little black piece here that you can just discard. So I'm just going to cut this part off first because that's not going to. So let me rinse this off. I don't think I rinsed it after I peeled it. Oh, guys. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Oh, my God. All right. Okay. All right, so very, very thin. Not that thin, really. So that's pretty good. That's pretty good, like a chip. Maybe a drop thinner, if I could get them a drop thinner. Oops. I don't want them paper freaking thin, but I want them thin, like potato chips. Yeah, that's pretty good. So I'm gonna do 3 or 4 more. Just trying to want to even that out a little bit right there. That's a nice one. One thing I like about this is that if you make your own chips, you can, make them how you want, flavor them how you want. I'll show you which ones I'm going to do right now. It's a little thick. That's a little thick. That's okay. I'm going to do one more. Actually, yeah, I'll leave these. Darn it. All right, there we go. All right, I'm going to do these two also. All right, so I'm going to put this one aside. Okay, so here I have it. Okay, pictures over here. Woo! Oh my Lord in heaven. Lordy-doo. Okay. All right, so I have the potatoes in here now. Now I'm gonna season them, okay? I'm gonna do onions powder and garlic salt. Only a little bit of garlic salt because I don't have any garlic powder. Whew. So I want to put a little garlic on it, so I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna put olive oil on it. That's what it says. A little garlic salt. I'm just going a little easy on the garlic salt because I don't know how it's gonna be, you know. I rarely ever, if you could see, I've had this forever and it's like almost full. I never ever use garlic salt, ever. So just give it a good mix. Just make sure they're all covered, I guess. All right. And onion powder. Definitely salt, because I need my chips salted. Put a little bit more garlic powder, a little salt. Now, I suppose I could do this in the air fryer, put these in the air fryer, but the reason why I'm trying this out is because it was in the microwave, and I'm really curious to see how they come out in the microwave. So let's see. All right, so I did that. Let's see. I'm just smelling them. Make sure. Now, they said to just layer them next to each other. You know, put them next to each other on the plate. They smell amazing. And I think it said 5 to 6 minutes or something like that. So I'll put it on for like 4 minutes and see how it is, and then I'll check them. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit of salt on each one because I just gotta make sure that they're salted. I can't eat chips without them being salted. And I guess it can't hurt just putting a little bit more onion powder, right? On each one. Sort of make sure they all got coated. All right. All right, guys. So I'm going to put this in the microwave for 4 minutes first, and I'll let you see after the 4 minutes what they look like. All right, let's go. Here we go. Homemade potato chips in the microwave. 4 minutes. All right, I'm very excited, guys. Very, very, very excited. I'm gonna peel the sweet potato because I definitely want to do sweet potatoes because they're better for me anyway. Like, you know, regular chips are not good for me to eat anyway, but I definitely want to try it out. And if I like it, you know, an alternative is to make sweet potato chips, which is, you know, better than regular potato chips. rinse my hands off. I'm excited, guys. I can't wait to see how this comes out. Oh, none of stuff on it. I'll just put these to the side. All right, I'm getting very excited. I'm getting excited, guys. All right, guys, so this is 4 minutes. They're a little soft still, but you can see they're getting to that point. So I'm gonna put them in for another 2 minutes because I think it was 6 minutes. So I'm gonna put it in for another 2 minutes and then we'll check it out. 2 minutes. Okay, I'm very excited. All right, guys, so look at this. One came out a little crispy. Look, look. They look like freaking potato chips. All right, I'm gonna take the thinnest one and taste it. Out. Oops. All right, guys, here we go. Oh my God. Oh my God. Can you see that? I just can't. I just can't believe this. You've got to be kidding me. Crunchy, you taste like potato chips. And what I put on them, it's delicious. I put the salt, the garlic salt, the onion powder, and a little salt. Oh my God. I am just amazed right now. Oh my God, guys, look at that. Freaking potato chips. I can't believe I'm so excited to do the yam. All right, guys, time for the sweet potato ones. Oh my God. All I have to say, oh my God. That's all I've been saying. They're absolutely amazing. Amazing. And I love the fact that you can season them the way you want. That's the best part of it. So let's start cutting this one. These will be mini ones at first. You know what? I'll make it. Yeah, here we go. Nice. Look, nice and thin. You gotta try to do them all at the same kind of thing because if one's thinner than the next, it'll burn. I had one burn, but it was like basically the same size as all the other ones, so I don't get it, but who knows. But 6 minutes is the ticket. 4 minutes was soft. 5 minutes, it was on its way. 6 minutes, perfect. These are going to be amazing, I can tell you right now. And I think that I'm not going to go crazy with the seasonings on these. I'm really not. I think I'm just going to put some salt. Maybe just a little bit of garlic salt. I don't know. Let's do the rest of these. Yeah, that's not gonna work. That's not working, is it? There we go. Guys, I'm totally blown away. I'm blown away. Because I never would have thought. All right, let's do this. Olive oil, a little bit of salt. I don't know if I'm gonna do, I think I'm just gonna do a little salt and pepper. A little salt and pepper. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. All right, let's mix these up a little bit so we can get them all coated. You could put anything you want on these. Now, the thing that I noticed that they did stick a little bit to the plate. So I'm gonna put a little bit of spray, not a lot, because I don't want it to be like really soggy or anything. So I'm just gonna put a little bit, because it has the olive oil on it. You know what I mean? So that they came off fine. They didn't break or anything like that. But I want to make sure that they don't break. All right. They smell so good. And the object is not to put them on, don't let them be touching. Right next to each other is fine, but not touching. Because I think that makes them not not get crispy. I don't even know who I found this from. I was just watching TikTok videos, and there it was. And I was like, holy crapola. I don't know if it was TikTok or YouTube. It might have been YouTube. Yummy. Love sweet potatoes. Love it, love it, love it. So now, because this is the first time I'm doing sweet potatoes, I'm going to put it in for 4 minutes again and see how it goes. And then, because I don't want them to burn. So we'll just be cautious, do it on 4 minutes, and then we'll check it to see if, how it's doing and if it needs another 2 minutes. You know what I mean? Better to be safe than sorry. These smell so good. I don't even know what they smell like, but they smell good. Olive oil, I guess, and just gonna try to squeeze these in here without them really touching. But it's not perfect. Nothing is gonna be perfect. Perfection is not for us. It's just God. God's perfect. All right. You need all that out. All right, guys. So let's go put this in the microwave for 4 minutes. Oh. Sweet potato fries. Sweet potato fries. Sweet potato fries in the microwave. I know I'm weird. I know I'm weird. 4 minutes. Alright. Guys, these are so good. I can't even believe it. Some of you will probably say, oh my God, Linda, we knew about this already. Probably. This is nothing new. New to me. So excited. So excited. Oh, sorry, I'm just talking to my friend. Can you guess what friend that is? Jerry Ellen from Cooking with Neighbors. Go check out her channel. Life with Jerry Ellen and Cooking with Neighbors with Jerry Ellen. She's amazing. I was just talking to her and telling her about these potato chips, and she's like, oh my God, don't even tell me, because if you tell me, then I'm going to be making them all the time. So, it's true. All you got to do is have a freaking potato in your house. Although, it limits you to a whole bag of potatoes, like, to make a half a... Guys, listen. Like, something just went off my head. I could literally make little Ziploc bags of these up and put like 5 or 6 potato chips in a bag and had them separated. So every time I want a little chip action, it's better than having a whole bag. You hear that crunch? Do you hear that crunch? I can't even believe it. I'm so excited. So excited for this. I don't know why I'm making such a big deal, but it's a big deal to me. It really is. All right, guys, so I put it in for 4 minutes. They weren't done, of course. I put them in for just 1 more minute, and I'm going to check them now. I want to see how they are now. I didn't want to do the 6 minutes because I'm afraid that they're going to burn. Okay, let's see. Woo! My glasses just got all fogged up. All right, see, they definitely need another minute. They definitely need another 6, they definitely need the 6 minutes because they're definitely not done. So I'm going to put them on for 40 seconds and see how that goes. I'm going to put them in another 20 seconds. I'll do 50 seconds. All right. I'm so excited. I'm going to make them eventually and put them in little Ziploc bags, like with a small handful in each, just to have them in case you ever want a little treat. So you only take 1 bag at a time. Such a great idea, guys. I'm doing the sweet potato ones now. I'm going to show you them after they're done. All right, guys, let's see. Let's see. I'm excited. Okay. All right. No, I need a little bit longer. I'm gonna put them on for another 20 seconds. Another 20 seconds. Jennifer's home. Yeah, that's a great idea. All right, let me go and lock the door. Cause Jenny's home. Fun, 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 fun. Wow, people just shock me every day. They really do. Hello. Hi, Jen. Hi. Hey. How was your day?
How about yours?
These are taking a little bit longer.
What?
I guess because they're, wait, I'm talking to them. I guess because their sweet potatoes are taking a little bit longer. They're a little not crispy yet, so I'm put them on another 20 seconds. 1 second. So guys, I put it in for another couple, like probably a minute and a half, 2 minutes. And they definitely crispier, but they're not as crispy as the regular potatoes. Definitely not. Like you don't hear that crunch, see? Mm. No crunch. They're very good though. I'm thinking maybe to put these in the air fryer. Although this one is thinner and it's let me say. Yeah. They're so good though. It's just a different texture. Really good. They're very good, but a difference. It must be like the gluten.
Free.
I don't know.
Free. Oh, we went shit. I forgot to tell you.
So great, guys.
Hi, guys. I just got home from program. Right, Mom?
Mm-hmm.
And I went to dollar store and I got a couple stuff. I got number one is the blue glitter nail polish. Look, Mom. Show. Blue glitter nail polish. Look, guys.
They can see it. You just showed it to them.
I got this blue glitter nail polish. I got sour cream and onion chips. See, guys? They're gluten-free because it's gluten-free, Mommy.
Mm-hmm.
Sour cream and onion chips. And I got this dip. Look, this dip. It's called onion dip.
Mm-hmm.
Onion dip. And the last thing I got is 10-pack of color pencils.
Yeah.
And guess what, guys? And then I went to do a friendly visitor today, and we went to ShopRite in Chester, our town today.
Oh, you don't mention our town.
What?
That's okay. Anyway.
Never mind.
No, it's fine.
Never mind what I said.
She's fine.
No,
Stop.
I'm not fine. No, I didn't.
She went to our local food store.
Yeah. I should have said
But
that.
and I said to her, I wish that I knew because I needed cheese.
You should have told me, but my phone is off.
Yeah.
I had to show my phone on, remember?
She always gets colored pencils at the Dollar Tree, guys.
Because I love using colored pencils. They're much better with...
These are really good.
Mommy, because, Mommy, much better of like crayons.
Yeah.
That's why I always get them from the
And I like these because I like the salt and pepper on them because it's mild. It doesn't take away from the sweet potato taste, flavor, you know.
This glitter one?
Yeah, it's a little crunch.
Look how shiny this glitter is, Mommy.
I know, I see it.
Yeah, but look at how shiny it is.
It's beautiful.
I want to show Julie.
She's working now.
Aww. And I say I'm going to be with Mommy all day today because my mentor is not coming today because she can't.
Yeah, so Jenny doesn't have her mentor today, so she's hanging out with Mom. There's the crunch.
You're lucky. You wanted me to try this dip,
If you want to have it, have it.
but I want to say because we don't know how to make this.
I was wrong, guys. The longer they sit, they become crispier. They're very crispy now. They're amazing. Even better than the regular ones. I can't. All right, guys. What?
I'm so glad I'm home.
I know. I'm gonna go now because I'm so excited about this that I don't even know what to do with myself. I really don't. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you like this video, hit that like button and the share and all that. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you like it too. I really, really appreciate it when you do subscribe to my channel. It helps my channel grow. Very, very excited. Also, should I tell you now? I'll tell you later on my What's for Dinner. I have a surprise coming up that I want to tell you guys. But that is for later. I will definitely tell you it's on the What's for Dinner. So anyway, guys, like, share, and don't forget to comment down below. I love when you guys comment. Try these out. I'm telling you, take a half a potato, slice them thin, you put them in the microwave. You put them in a bowl with, you saw, guys, you put them in a bowl with olive oil, whatever seasonings you want. Make sure that you spray the plate, a little bit so they don't stick. Put them on the plate, not touching in the microwave for 6 minutes. The sweet potatoes take about 7.5 minutes. The regular potatoes take 6 minutes. So amazing, so delicious for a quick snack. If you have company, somebody shows up unexpected, whatever, you can make these. All right, guys. See you on the next video. Gonna go eat my chips now. Bye. Bye, guys.